Part 1. Access to information from written texts. Read the passage below and then answer questions 1 to 7. Shopping. Web or walk-in? Where do you like to shop? These days, more and more people head straight to their computers when they want to buy something new. Shop owners at malls and shopping centers are very worried about this new threat to their walk-in business. Online shoppers say that nothing can be better than shopping from home. They also say that it's convenient to make a purchase at any time of day and night. They don't have to wait in order to pay at the checkout counter, and there is usually a big selection of products online. With a few clicks of a mouse, it is possible to compare products and prices. By doing so, it is possible to find a good deal. In addition, many sites have customer ratings, and you can find out what other shoppers think of a specific product or service. I just love shopping on the web, says Julie Graham, a busy hairdresser and mother of 3. After the kids are in bed, I kick off my shoes and enjoy doing my shopping online. There is no rush. I don't like looking for parking or standing in long lines. Sharon Adams disagrees. Sharon, a mother of twins, says she looks forward to getting out of the house in the evenings and going to the nearby shopping mall. At the mall we shop, see friends, and sometimes even eat out at one of the restaurants. Besides, I want to see what I'm getting before I decide to buy something. I can't do that if I buy online. When you go to a walk-in store, you can touch the item, try it on, or see how it works. Questions. 1. Who feels threatened by online shopping? 2. According to online shoppers, what are the advantages of shopping by computer? Give 2 advantages. A and B. 3. What should you look at in order to learn people's opinions about a certain item? 4. Julie Graham doesn't like walk-in shopping. Give 1 example from lines 12 to 14. 5. Sharon Adams mentions several reasons why she goes to the mall. Which reason does she not mention? A. Going to a movie. B. Shopping. C. Having a meal. D. Seeing friends. 6. According to the writer, what can you do with an item in a shop that you can't do online? Give 2 examples. 1 and 2. 7. Another title for this passage could be A. The end of walk-in shopping. B. The best way to buy. C. Fun at the mall. D. Online or at the mall. Part 2. Grammar. Put the verbs in the right tense. John, write, a test now, and we wait for him outside. He, hate tests because he always get low grades. 2. Who usually take you to school? My father do it. 3. You watch TV last night? There be a program about global warming. While I watch, my brother run around and make a lot of noise. 4. John arrived home late yesterday because he have a long day. When he usually finish his work at 5 o'clock, but yesterday he returned at 8 o'clock. Exercise 3. Translate into English. Part 3. Writing task. Write a well-structured paragraph of about 10 to 15 lines about one of the following topics. 1. What kind of shopping would you prefer? Online shopping or walk-in shopping? Explain. 2. What is music for you and how it influences you? Explain.